Welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to listen songs together in long distance relationship. So the thing is that many of the music streaming apps offer this option where you can listen to songs together, but today I'm going to show you how to do that using the Spotify app. So if you are in a long distance relationship with someone and you want to listen to music together, let's see how you can do that. Let's open up the Spotify app right here, and you'll have to choose the song or the playlist that you want to share with that person. In my case, I'm just going to select right here one song, which is this one right here. So what I'm going to do right now is, if I'm going to hit the icon with the three dots right here, as you can see, I should be able to see this share option right here. So I'm going to hit share, and what I can do is copy the link right here, and I can paste the link to this song on whatever app that I want, or I can just send it to Spotify, to Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever app you need and you want to use in this case. So basically this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.